In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Payoneer to Stripe. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or business owner, linking these two platforms can simplify your financial transactions and help streamline your operations. So, let's dive right in and get started. First off, you want to head over to your Stripe dashboard. You'll need to log into your account, and once you're in, you'll be on the home page. From here, you'll want to locate the Settings option. This is usually found in the left-hand menu, and it's your gateway to configuring your Stripe account to suit your needs. Clicking on Settings will open up a variety of options for you to explore. Now that you're in the settings, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Business section. From there, you'll see an option for bank accounts and currencies. Go ahead and click on that. This section is crucial because it's where you manage the financial details that will allow your Stripe account to send and receive funds efficiently. Once you're in the bank accounts and currencies section, you'll see the option to add a bank account. This is the step where you'll actually link your Payoneer account with Stripe. Click on Add a Bank Account to proceed. It's a straightforward process once you're here, but make sure to have all your bank details at hand for the next step. Now, it's time to fill in your bank details. Be meticulous here. You want to ensure that every piece of information is accurate to avoid any issues with fund transfers. Pay attention to the account number and routing numbers, as these are essential for a successful link between Stripe and Payoneer. Double-checking these details can save you a lot of headaches later on. After you've entered all your bank details, you're almost there. The final step is to click on the Add Bank Account button. This action will save all the information you've entered and officially link your Payoneer account with your Stripe dashboard. Once you hit that button, Stripe will process the information, and your accounts will be connected. And that's it. You've successfully added Payoneer to your Stripe account. It's a relatively quick process, but each step is crucial to ensure everything is set up correctly. With your accounts linked, you can now handle transactions more smoothly and focus on growing your business without worrying about the complexities of financial management. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy transacting!